Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel. And at times I upload videos related to AI. So thank you very much for your continuous support on my channel. I really do appreciate your continuous viewing of the videos on my channel. Thank you very much for that. So let's get started with today's video. Today's video we're going to do an analysis of 1999 Cricket World Cup. Okay, and here we have the color combination website. As I've explained in the earlier video, we have thousands of color combinations, and you can choose which one that you really like the most. Okay, and then you select the code and you paste that here in this particular section. It has the hash and the number and the alphabets. All right, so this part is done. I've done the formatting of the page. All right, and now I'll be inserting the shape, and I do hope that you guys are watching most of my videos, because I've explored many things related to Excel and shared my knowledge in the previous videos. So do check them out. Okay, um, so let's see. This time I'll select this color code so that I could change the color for this one, because I don't need this light blue color. Or maybe I'll experiment with some other color. It's a part of no experimentation that you'll be doing. Let's check. Seems okay to me. And I'm just ensuring that that I'm using different colors and not just sticking with one particular color pattern. Okay, so I'll turn off the title. All right, it's already turned off, and then in the text section I'll write 1999 Cricket World Cup 1999 Cricket World Cup Power BI. No, not Power BI. Dashboard. Now let me increase the font size to 4:5 and ensure it is bold. Okay, this is looking perfect. And let's do a little bit of data transformation. Click on transform data, and then the Power Query editor will be launched. So let me once again repeat that why we are doing this. It's because if we don't do the data type conversion, the calculations will not be reflecting properly, and then the whole purpose of the dashboard does not get solved, right? So that's the reason we have to make sure that the data type conversion is being appropriate. So I'll just cross check. So you can see that it is reflecting as text. It should be in numerical format. It cannot be in text, right? And these two things are reflecting as text. So now let me see. I mean, this is wickets lost column and wickets taken. These two are reflecting as text. So let's find out for the runs scored column. The runs scored, it is in numerical format. So that is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'll press Control and then select both these columns. Both these columns are selected. from data type text to whole number. So we've done the conversion for these two. It's asking me at the stage of doing the conversion whether you want to change the column type, and then you click on replace current. Okay, so these two have been done, and then we'll do first row headers. No, I think I'm fine with this. All right, so here I'll click on close and apply, and then the changes will be done for these two columns, wickets lost and wickets taken. And in real life scenarios also, you will find these kind of issues that you have to do the correction for, because when you get the data, right, when the column has to um, what I mean to say is that the columns that are supposed to have values in numerical format, you will find them reflecting as text format, or columns that needs to have let's say in some other format, right, let's suggest text, it will be in completely different format and data type. So you have to ensure that the data type conversion is properly done. So my Power BI got stuck a little bit. You may have to be a little bit patient. And then in my upcoming videos also, I'll be exploring the other dashboards and other subjects. So because when we do dashboards on different domains, it really does add a lot of value to you, because you can go into any domain, and that gives you the edge over other applicants. Okay, so these, you can see that the changes, right, the changes have been done. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that the changes are reflecting. All right, this is good. So this part is taken care of, and now it's time for placing these slicers. I'll select tile slicer, and I'll place the teams in the field section. And once the team has been placed, I'll ensure that the callout value size, I'll change that. I just want to make sure that they are looking much bigger. Click on bold. This is good to go. All right. Now let's see what color background that I need. I'll be going to this website and find out which background suits much better for this. Click on general, click on effects, click on color. I think I'm fine with this so far. So far this looks good. Okay, now let's start placing the cards. I think I accidentally selected a card while the tile slicer was selected. Let me do Control C. And then it'll be back to the slicer. Okay, I'll place a cursor here and then select the card. Now it all depends on the processor that you have on your laptop, and based on that, sometimes the Power BI can get stuck. And I will be obviously doing the upgrade of the processor. It depends on the laptop. It may take for some time for me to uh, change the laptop that I record the videos on. I'll click on card. All right, this has been placed. Control C, Control V. And once again, you paste the card here. Now you'll place the runs code in the field section of the card. So 17,000 runs were scored in 1999 Cricket World Cup. You can see this here. And then I'll place wickets lost and wickets taken. So some of you may be wondering, like, am I continuously going to do just one type of dashboard? Well, the thing is, every single day I need to keep going on with the dashboard preparation, right? So I have the data sets for the Cricket World Cup tournament till 2019, I believe. So till the time that is completed, I will stick with the series, and then once in a while I'll be exploring uh, dashboard preparation process for other fields as well. Okay, so you can see that these cards have been completed, and now let's do the formatting. Let's see which color will be appropriate. I'll select this. I don't know which color is this. Is it light red or I don't know. Format to visual, go to general, click on effects, click on background color, and then no, I placed this color in the wickets taken section, right? So let me place a cursor once again on the runs code, click on background color, more colors. Okay, this is looking good. Turn off the category label, click to general, turn on the title. I'll write total runs scored. Increase the size to 27. Scroll down and ensure that it is placed in the center. Okay, this is looking good. And in the meanwhile, I really would like to say to some of the haters, all right, who want to pass on a lot of hate and all those things and the fault finders. So if those people uh, will be on this channel, I really want to say that if you don't like watching the video, you can skip watching the video and move forward. That's totally fine. But believe me or not, you may come across such kind of people who really don't want anyone to do better, and these are people who are pretty much insecure, I would say. And okay, I've increased the font size to 17,000, right? This is looking much better, correct? All right, now it's time for the formatting for this visual, wickets lost. This is an incredible website. I really love this website, colorhand.co, where you can get to see, do the combination, thousands of color combination, and it's available for free. And how is it that uh, they are having this completely free? It's because they could be running ads. If I go to this website here, you can see that some of the other ads are reflecting on this website. Sometimes it'll be for airlines, and sometimes it'll be for some other brand and some other industries who are placing ads on this particular website, and that's how they are able to give the services free of cost. All right, so the color selection has been done for this visual. Click on visual, turn off the category label, go to general, turn on the title. and then write total wickets lost. Total wickets lost. You change the font size to 27 and you ensure that this is bold, and it's time to do the same formatting for the callout values. Change it to 60. This is looking good. And now it's time to do the formatting for wickets taken. And I may have said this in earlier videos also, right? That there are plenty of things to learn. There's so much to learn that one lifetime is insufficient. I'll be very honest with you, right? Now, okay, the color combination has been selected, and once again, you will turn off the category label for this visual. You will turn it off. Go to general, turn on the title, and write the title as total wickets taken. Ensure that the text color is white. You scroll it down, place the title in center, ensure that the title is bold, scroll upwards, and I'll do the similar formatting for the callout values also. Change the color to white and increase the font size to 60. Okay, so this is looking much better, and I am very much fond of colors, different colors in my dashboard. And let's say that in case if you are really presenting to the company's management, then you may have to ask for the color preferences. Which type of color preference do they want? Do they want a uniform color for all the cards, and uniform color for each and every visual, just for the presentation purposes? You can do that. You can keep the uniform color, or if you want to experiment with colors, you can ask them if they are fine with it, and they say that okay, they are fine with it, then you can do that accordingly. Okay, so we have placed the cards here, and now I'll be writing the DAX queries: team wise matches won and team wise matches lost. And as I've explained in the last video, the purpose behind writing the DAX queries is that we don't have to apply filter again and again. It's just the DAX query will um, solve the purpose of filtering out. Okay, matches 1 is equals to calculate. So it's asking, it does evaluate expression in context. That's what it states, right? So we'll ask it to do count rows. Cricket World Cup 1999. Result, that's a filter. We want the result to be filtered on the matches that were won. Okay, you mentioned that in the inverted commas, you close the bracket and you hit enter, and then sometime the DAX query will be completed for this particular matches one section. Okay, this DAX query has been completed. Now it's time for the other DAX query, matches lost. Calculate, click on count rows, Cricket World Cup 1999. That's the name of the table. Result is equals to lost. Close inverted commas, close a bracket, hit enter. And then once this text query has been completed, you place the donut chart. I prefer donut chart because it is very attractive compared to the pie chart that we have. In fact, I would say donut chart is actually a version of the pie chart, but it's a much better version. All right. And see, I may have pointed out this in earlier video also, right? That Power BI is not just about drag and drop. It's much more than that. Okay. And unless you master DAX queries, you cannot call a Power BI expert. And most of the so-called fake gurus online, they they may not be knowing in depth about uh, all the DAX queries. I'm not saying everybody in the market is like that, but there are some fake gurus who will be inviting you for a 99 rupees workshop, and they'll try to upsell you uh, by claiming that okay, the data analyst will get a salary of 36 lakhs. You can also get that, but they may not be sharing the total picture, right? And so be aware of these type of scams. They are kind of a scam. Okay. All right, so you can see that these two donut charts have been placed. And now I'll be dragging the team in the legend section and then the matches one in the value section. Okay, and let's do the experimentation with the color combination. I want to select that color which will ensure that the all the colors here are visible against the background. That is the key thing. For example, if I select this color against the background, then this particular area will not be visible, right? So let me see which color will be appropriate. Maybe this one looks better. Go to general, click on effects, click on background, click on more colors. Is it looking attractive? Hmm. Or maybe I'll go with this color. Or no, maybe I'll go with this color. Okay, I'm fine with this. Click on visual. Click on title and change it to team wise. Matches 1. Then increase the font size to 27. Scroll down, change the color to white and ensure that the title is placed in the center. Okay, this is this is looking fine, and I'll do the similar changes for other values. Therefore, the slices, values. You want to ensure that the values are bigger and then you turn it to white. Okay, so now you can see all these values, right, in terms of percentage, they are looking better. Now, so this will indicate that, like anyone can clearly see, is very much visible, correct? Team wise matches won. You can clearly see that Australia is leading the tally, and no wonder they were the winners in the tournament. Place a team in legend section, place the matches lost in the value section. Okay, this is looking good. Let's find out which color will be appropriate. I want to select a different color. Maybe I'll go with this color. Is it looking better? No, I may want to go with a different color. I think I'm fine with this for the time being, because I really have to, wrap up the video. So I'll be fine with this. All right, team wise, matches lost. Increase your font size to 2:7. Scroll down, ensure that the title is placed in the center. You ensure that the title is bold. And then I will do the formatting for the values as we have done for the other donut chart on the left. Okay. All right. So we're done with the dashboard preparation, and I'm fine with this dashboard because to me it looks very attractive. And the color combination, it all depends on your choice, which one, which type of color that you want. It all depends on the nature of the dashboard. And in professional dashboards, right, it all depends on the management, what type of color combination that they want for the page color, what combination do they want for the shape, what color combination do they want for the tile slicer, the visuals. It all, you can ask them, and then they will give you their requirement, and then you can prepare the dashboard accordingly. All right. So in case if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to this channel, wherein I'll do my level best to explore many text queries as much as possible. And my whole objective is that I will be helping myself through these videos, and you can also get the benefit, right? This is for like-minded people who really want to explore the field of data analytics as much as possible. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to this channel. All right, and I will see you soon in the next video. So in the meanwhile, to take care of yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Have a